coffee and the bread. My father's men at the gates of my cell. There's black water seeping through the sheets of my bed, and the fever buds are coming to swarm round my head. Oh Lord, I was born in the mouth of a mountain, and I live with my mother in a house made of tin. But my father came in the cover of the moonlight. He brought me to his mansion and locked me in. Now the fever birds are coming to scratch at my skin. Oh Lord, how I wept and cared from my mother. My body grew weary, my lungs filled with tears. But I learned how to fly on the wings of my sickness, on back to my mother and back through the years. Now them fever birds are coming to screech in my ears. One morning I woke and I looked up above me. I saw a girl with the brightness of 1,000 Julys, and she wiped off my head and she said she would love me. And I felt this white light come creeping up through my thighs. I felt the fever birds coming to claw at my eyes. Lay there together in the blindness of patience. But in the morning I woke and I saw what she'd done. Yeah, there were sores on my body where her lips had kissed me. And I tried to scream, but no scream would come, for them fever birds had torn at my tongue. So Lord, I'm sick and I will not be well. So listen, you brother, sing inside this one pain. I don't care for how you fly on the wings of your sickness. Your dreams of beauty will just drive you insane. And now them fever birds are coming to roost in your brain. Coming to roost in your brain. Oh no, them fever birds are coming to roost in your brain.